Select the correct annular cutter for the material to be drilled. Select the correct ejector pin for the cutter length. Insert the ejector pin inside the annual cutter. Never use an annual cutter without an ejector pin. Insert the annular cutter in the machine keyless arbor. Move the machine towards the mark where the hole is to be drilled, and with the help of the pilot pin, locate the mark by touching the tip of the pilot pin over the mark. Switch on the magnet switch. Check if the magnet indicator glows green. Fill the coolant tank with BDS lubricant. Never use the machine without lubricant. Set the correct RPM on the machine for the size of cutter being used. Turn on the coolant tank knob. Switch on the motor switch and start to drill with slow feed. Never crash the cutter onto the material. You must use the internal lubrication when drilling with annual cutters. Also use external lubrication when drilling above 50 mm thickness. Start to drill with firm, steady feed rate. Too slow or too fast feed rate will damage the cutter. Check if the lubricant is coming out. Use lots of lubricant for good results. Putting too much pressure on the feed handle will not make drilling faster. Instead, it will break the cutters. Drill with less pressure and steady feed for best results and longer service life of annular cutters. To prevent accidents, clean the work area with BDS Power Cleaner after drilling. Perfect drilling with the above instructions will result in perfectly finished holes in less time and with more service life of both cutter and machine.